Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating your first connection. Install SSMS, then verify the SQL Server instance is reachable. Ping the host or check port 1433. Once done, open SSMS and choose Windows Authentication or SQL Server Authentication with the supplied username and password. Make sure to enter server name \instance or IP, optionally with a comma and port. You will see Object Explorer populate. This confirms connectivity and lets you move on to database exploration and scripted tasks. Once connected, you explore the instance and prepare queries. Expand databases in Object Explorer to inspect schemas, tables, and stored procedures. Open a new query window and set the target database from the drop-down. This avoids accidental cross-database changes. Write TSQL with select, insert, update, and use go between batches. Make use of IntelliSense and the Results and Messages tabs to validate output. If a long operation is expected, include transaction controls and test on a backup or dev copy first. You finalize changes by deploying scripts, backups, or schema updates. Use generate scripts for objects or tasks for backup and restore. Validate on a staging instance before production. Once deployed, monitor health with Activity Monitor and SQL Server logs to catch blocking, deadlocks, or long-running queries. If something goes wrong, check error messages, verify your login has required permissions, confirm database compatibility level, and re-examine connection strings for typos. If performance persists, capture an execution plan and address missing indexes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.